Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicare online. First, confirm your eligibility. Most people qualify when they turn 65, but you might be eligible sooner due to certain disabilities or specific health conditions. It's crucial to verify these details on the official Social Security website before you begin the application process to ensure a smooth experience. This initial check saves time and prevents potential issues. Before you start the online application, gather all necessary documents. You will need your Social Security number and proof of age, like a birth certificate. If you have current employer health insurance, make sure to have those details handy as well. Having everything prepared beforehand will make the application process much quicker and easier to complete without interruptions. Now, navigate to the official Social Security Administration website. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Otherwise, simply log in. Once logged in, locate the section for Medicare applications. The site will guide you through each step, asking for your personal and health information. Take your time to accurately fill out all required fields. After completing all sections, thoroughly review your entire application for any errors or omissions. Accuracy is key to avoid delays. Once you are confident everything is correct, submit your application and be sure to save the confirmation number for your records. This number is vital for tracking your application status. Also, remember to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.